Hi, I'm Rob Fletcher, Associate Professor at the University for Peace and instructor of the Conservation and Development course, a 6-week online course. One of the most important challenges of our time is how to reconcile economic development with environmental protection. Conventional development has often come at the expense of the environment. On the other hand, environmental conservation has often come at the expense of local people and their livelihoods. So finding ways to generate income for developing communities that don't degrade the environment is vital to creating a sustainable future. This is the focus of this course. We'll explore the history of conservation and development programs and attempts to reconcile these in pursuit of sustainable development. We'll identify the major obstacles to achieving this goal and become familiar with a variety of practical tools for overcoming these obstacles and working to implement sustainable development projects at the community level. This course will be useful to anybody working on or interested in environmental or development issues, working in government agencies or non-governmental organizations. Thanks, and I look forward to working with you soon.